Oh yeah, I just stand right there like that. So what? You ain't nobody. You ain't nobody. So what? Minnie. You said Minnie? What painting? I don't know your niece. What y'all barking for? I see they just standing there. That's why I'm like, what the fuck? So what? Why you looking at me like that? You don't tell me what to do. You don't tell me what to do. You don't tell me what to do, sir. Don't talk to me. Hey, calm down. Woo. What's wrong? Hey, yo. The moon over here now. Not called a pound. You don't even stay out here to be called no pound. You don't stay out here. Go back to where you stay at before you talk about what you want to do. Well, I don't care. Your friend don't even stay out here. Your friend, damn, that's Dixie apartment at the end of the damn day. Dixie ain't here, is she? So at the end of the day, your friend or whoever the fuck you talking about don't stay out here for you to be talking about. I don't give a damn who your aunt is. I'm talking about your friend don't damn stay out here for you to be talking about call no fucking pound because you can't visit. Your friend open that damn door anyway. Well, I don't give a damn. That's what I'm talking about. Shit. The hell you talking about calling a pound? Say what, sir? Say what, sir? Oh, all right. See you later, sir. What that mean coming out? Y'all know bad company. Y'all know it. Bad energy having my foot. She tried to put it. I see her with them hand gestures. That's what they be doing. That's what they be doing. I got a video. Missy did that shit. But anywho, y'all like, he ain't even move. He know they ain't shit. The crazy part for me, not even not open the door for me to relay the message. Carl don't need to tell me to relay no more messages. Carl don't need to tell me to relay any more messages to miss his whoever fucking niece, cousin, granddaughter, whoever she is. He tell me how is this the aunt and she's a niece. And this her granddaughter. I mean the grandma. That mama. But don't tell me to relay no more anymore. Any more messages, Carl. Girl. Who that you are? Don't tell me to relay any more messages to your whatever she is out here. Cause she come tell don't be and then her on her behalf. You don't need to be telling people to come down here from North Carolina and wherever they're coming from. You know what I'm talking about? And you don't come to the door. That's crazy. That don't even make sense. Like, what the fuck? What the hell? I can't even deal. She over there trying to force me how to do something. Damn it. I'm trying to sleep. Girl, what? That's crazy. Party, 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 party. What's up? He's gonna flop down right there. Oh, girl, that must be her mama or whatever. And dude, he always calling the pound. How you gonna call the pound? Your tag out of date. March the 22nd, 25. 3/22/25. And you talking about calling the pound on the dogs. You don't even stay out here. I think y'all might be from North Carolina. What you talking about? Like y'all, cause they barking cause y'all bad energy? Oh well. What y'all mean? Go get you a new tag. Go and get that. Y'all know how y'all do with the little permanent mark. Gonna change the day. Gonna fit that. That's why they got that trailer on the bag. I can't have like, hey, 3, that's Jennifer Mark. Why the little Mexican baby in the wood by herself? Hold up, yeah. He just come out the wood. Oh, I see somebody pointing. They hide him behind the dunks. Oh, that's another. What their parents said? They must be behind the dunks. Oh, they're the parents. The mom over there. My little friend, my buddy. My guy got that thing back in though, y'all. 3/22/25 back there. Got that thing back then. In the depth. Excuse me. You can make it like that. Why you walking like that?
We're going. Come on, the girl, go potty. Hey, go on. Why keep my feet down? I want him. Down.
No, drink that nasty water. Ah, no, drink that water. Yeah. Sewage water. We need to go fix this some water. What's him? Let's go fix this some clean water. What?
Wait, you want that fish stay from? You want that fish stay? You want that fish stay
Fix your phone.
No, where get that fish? Get that fish.
They had a meeting in the middle of the road. What y'all talking about? That water nasty. Come on, let go.
Oh no, down my pin. We're gonna happy birthday! I like it!
Came back out right on time. Oh, don't bump me. Oh. Oh. Now run that road, car coming. Come on. Y'all come back this way. Y'all come back this way. Come back.
Reggie, don't do that. Reggie, don't do that. No.
Huh? What's your name? Who? Carl. Carl, you gotta get you a tag. That tag out of date, Carl. 322.25. Carl trying to go, y'all. 322.25 out of date, Carl. See you later. Y'all shake. Let me go. Well, you see her, let her know Uncle came by. I'm Carl. Yo, what the fuck? Come on. I gotta go let her know Carl came by. It's Candace. 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 Come to the door and find out. Come to the door and see. You swear to God, what? Open the door and see. You trying to sleep. I gotta tell you what your uncle said. She said shit. That don't make no damn sense. Hello? Turn the phone down. Where's I get that bed? Hello? Hey. Mother said she tried to sleep. Hey, I'm trying to tell you what your uncle said. Hey. That don't make no. This don't make no sense. It's time to take that down. Oh. Hello? Carl, she ain't gonna come to the door, Carl. Carl, she ain't gonna come to the door. Oh, don't hear with that. Oh, well. I guess I can't tell her what the fuck Carl says. His girl ain't coming to the door. That don't make no sense. What up, Brownie? Let's go see what Brownie doing. This don't make no sense. Carl, don't be telling me to relay no messages. Girl ain't coming to the door for y'all. Me, nobody but Frank, Riley, and Mike, and Lulu. Oh, what's up?
I thought it was talking about that. No.
He don't need to ask me to relay no more messages. Okay? Come on, y'all.
I need to see you. See?
Kids out here making all that noise. They're trying to sleep. The neighbor is trying to sleep. Hey, the neighbor trying to sleep. Hey. Dang.